Student, today we shall continue our class of statistics. Today we are going to discuss another method to find the mean. The method is step division method. In earlier class we discussed assume mean method. Now how we find the mean by step division method. Let's start our class. There are the various steps involved in step division method. The step first is, as usual for all the methods are involved, first we have to find the class mark xi. We know that xi class mark is found by half of lower limit plus upper limit. They are the first step. Now in second step, as we do the same process in assume mean method, we have to find the class mark, and the class mark column we have to assume most probable middle value. Either you have to choose any one, but you have to choose most probable is middle value. That will be represented by A. Clear? Now in step third we have to calculate H. H is a class difference. How we find? Upper limit minus lower limit. How? Suppose there is a class is 0 to 50 of class. How we find here H? This is lower limit, this is upper limit. 50 minus 0. H is the value of H will be 50. This is the process how we find the H. Now step 4, calculate UI. Earlier in assume mean method, here is we have to find deviation by xi minus a, but here you have to find UI. Xi minus a divided by H for each case. Clear? Now in step 5, calculate fi into ui for each class and find their summations. Fi into ui. And last we use the formula of mean. A, where a is assumed value and H is a class difference of each class H, into summation of fi into ui by summation of fi. Now see how we implement all these methods in a problem. Let's see a problem. Here is a sum. Calculate the mean. Calculate the mean by step division method. See, these are data table is given. This is the class interval, and these are the frequency. Our first class interval is 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, and last one is 250 to 300, 250 to 300, and their frequency is given 17, 35, 43, 40, 21 and 24. See how we solve this problem by using various methods, various steps. Now make the column. This is your class interval. This is our frequency represented by fi. Xi is class mark, as we know that. Next one is ui. Ui, you know that xi minus a by h. and our last column is Fi into Ui. Now our data is class interval is 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, and last one is 250 to 300. And our frequencies are given. This is 17, 35, 43, 40, 21, 24. And we know that how we find the class mark. Sum of lower plus upper by 2. Lower plus upper, lower is 0, upper is 50. 0 plus 50, 50 by 2. This becomes 25. Same procedure, 75. This is 125. This is 175. This is 225. And last one is 275. Clear? Now see which value we have to assume as A. First to count the class interval 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 class intervals. Whatever you have to assume, either you have to assume 175, either you have to assume 125, whatever you have, it's up to you which value you have to assume. In my case, I assumed A as 125. So how we find Ui? Xi is 25. You have to write here A is equals to 125. Which value we have to assume? Mentioned here. A is equal to 125. It's up to you. You have to take either 175 as well as either you have to take 225. Clear? Now we find Ui. Xi is 25 minus Ui is 25 and H. How we calculate H? H, we know that the difference upper minus lower, 50 minus 0. It means our H is 50. This is 50. Subtract it. 25 minus 125. It becomes what? Minus 100 by 50. It becomes minus 2. Clear? In same procedure, we get minus 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Same procedure, you have to find that values. Now, our last work is just we have to multiply it. Fi into Ui. This becomes minus 34. 35 into minus 1. It becomes 30 minus 35. 43 into 0. It becomes 0. Next one, 40 into 1. It becomes 41. Now 21 into 2. It becomes 42. And last one, 24 into 3. It becomes 72. I hope up to this stage clear to you. Now next what we do, find summation of Fi. You add all these values, you get 180, and same as you have to find summation of Fi Ui. You add all these, you get 85. Clear? Now find the mean. Mean we know that x bar is equals to, formula we know that A plus H into summation of Fi Ui by summation of Fi. You know that. Now substitute all the values. In this case our A is 125, right here 125 plus H is our 50. Now summation of Fi Ui already calculated here, 85, and this value will be what? 180. Clear? This 0 0 cancel out. This is 125, and you solve these values, you get 23.61, and add it, you get 148.61. Therefore, mean is 148.61. In this way, you have to find the mean by using step division method.